To create a link to a item that resides in another content area, in our case another module, let's say module 1, I'm going to first turn on my edit mode. Then I'm going to go to build content and select course link. That'll help me to create a link. Then I'm going to click the browse button and select the item that I want to create a link to. So in this case, let me create a link to Unit 1 assignment. And I'm going to change the name here. Let's call it Unit 1 assignment review. And then I'm going to hit submit. And scroll down. As you can see, I've created a link to Unit 1's assignment in Unit 2. So FYI, this is not a copy, it's a link to that item. As you can see here, I've also created a link to the next module. So if the student clicks on that, it'll take them to module 3. And that is how you create a link to an item in another area of the course.